Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link. So stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. So let's assume you have pictures we'd like to upload into our Google Drive. All we need to do is to go to our photos on Google Drive as we have here, and then we're going to select the picture or the pictures we want to upload to our Google Drive. And then one method is to drag and drop it there. And here you can see the process. And now we have our two photos uploaded into our Google Drive. Alternatively, you have the other option to click on upload from your Google Drive, and then you get to select the location where you have your photos. So either you're using a drag and drop option or you're using the upload button, this would work. Say you want to share the link of one of the photos. We can click on this photo, and then you're going to look at the top right corner. At the top right corner, you have some options here such as sharing, zooming in, deleting, and making it as your favorite. We're going to click on share, and then you have the option to search for the person you'd like to share it with using their name, their phone number, or an email. You also have the option to add a new group where you can add others where they will see the photo you shared. Now, if you'd like to share a link, you can come down here and create a link. When you click on it, you're going to see this option to create a link. Click on create link, and now you have a link to this photo. We're going to click on copy, open a new tab, and paste the link. Great, we have this photo from the link which we copied. Now, if you share this link to anyone, they will also have the same picture which you shared. So this is how to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link.